Begin by pressing the Start button and accepting the terms and conditions on the screen. Next, you'll enter your mobile phone number. You will receive a text message with your unique identifier code. Enter that code on the screen and then click Proceed. Next, select the Sell option. Then, select the option BTM. Now you will enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. Next, scan the QR code that appears on the screen using your camera inside of your mobile wallet application. After you scan the QR code on your digital wallet, please enter the exact amount that the DCM is requesting. You'll be able to see the exact amount on the screen. Once you've entered the exact amount, go ahead and send the funds to the QR code that you scanned. Transactions typically take between 1 to 10 minutes to process. Once the transaction has been fully processed, you will receive a text message informing you to return to the machine to withdraw your funds. Once you are back at the machine, please log in with your phone number and enter the verification code that you received via text message. After logging in, you will simply press the Redeem button and your funds will begin dispensing one at a time. If you have any questions, reach out to our customer support team at 855-264-2046.